posted a video on our social media, and one of the people commented on it and said, wow, did you see the dollar bill get stuck in there? Now this trunk line was bad. There was beer bottles, you name it, it was in the ductwork. And I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool, dollar bill. So then about maybe 2 days later, someone commented and said, that wasn't a dollar bill, that was a $100 bill. So I went into the truck to find it. I didn't find it, but yeah, we sucked in a $100 bill. I replayed the video multiple times and it was a $100 bill.
We did a cleaning on a rail car for the state of California. We found a whiskey bottle from a pre-Civil War bottle stashed away up in the ducts of this old rail car. So that's one thing that always stands out in my mind, and now that's sitting in the museum.